Welcome to Module 5, Case Studies and Practical Applications. In this module, we'll explore real-world examples of successful growth hacks, work on a mini growth challenge, and prepare for your certification. Let's get started. First, let's look at some iconic growth hacking strategies. Dropbox's referral program. Dropbox incentivizes users by offering extra storage space for referring friends. This simple reward system resulted in exponential user growth. The key takeaway here is to leverage user incentives to drive viral growth. Hotmail's email signature strategy. Hotmail added a tagline at the bottom of every email, "Get your free email at Hotmail." This turned existing users into promoters and led to massive organic adoption. The lesson? Use your product's touchpoints to market itself. Airbnb's Craigslist integration. Airbnb automatically posted its listings on Craigslist, tapping into an already active audience. This integration boosted visibility and attracted more users. The insight here is to find platforms where your target audience is active and integrate effectively. Now that we've seen some examples, let's put this knowledge into practice. Imagine you're launching a new mobile app. Your task is to design a growth strategy that includes 3 key elements. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Think about their demographics, behaviors, and pain points. Choose your channels. For instance, would you use Instagram, TikTok, or maybe email marketing? Select the platforms where your audience is most active. Add a viral element. How can you encourage users to share your app? A referral reward, a gamified contest, or exclusive early access are some ideas. Here's an example. Let's say your app is a fitness tracker for college students. Your strategy could involve TikTok and Instagram ads to reach young users, and a referral system where users earn free premium features for every friend they invite. Take a moment to think about your approach. You can use this template to brainstorm and refine your strategy. Finally, let's review some key takeaways and get you ready for the certification test. Remember the growth funnel. Every strategy should guide users from acquisition to activation and ultimately to retention. Tools matter. Make sure you understand the basics of A/B testing, analytics, and automation to measure and optimize your growth efforts. Real-world inspiration. Use examples like Dropbox and Airbnb as frameworks for creating your own growth hacks. For the certification, focus on applying what you've learned in realistic scenarios. Don't just memorize, think about how you can innovate. Once you've reviewed the module, take the assessment, and you'll be on your way to earning your certification. Thank you for completing this course. We hope to see you applying these strategies in your future growth hacking endeavors. Congratulations on finishing Growth Hacking 101. Keep exploring, experimenting, and innovating. See you in the next course. But if you want to learn all of these at a deep level, upskill your career with a higher salary package, join any of our professional certification programs now. Get guaranteed placement. Call on the board line number to get a special discount.